Now come to the topic, that is chapter number 15, probability. We'll start the chapter. First, we'll understand the concepts which are there in the probability. First, see the important terms which are related to probability. Random experiment. Now, what does random experiment mean? An experiment whose outcome is from the events that are completely known but whose exact outcome is unknown is known as random experiment. Okay, these are just the definitions for your knowledge. Actually probability हम लोग कैसे solve करते हैं उसके questions वो हम लोग example के form में उसको understand करेंगे. Okay, so no need to worry about it. Definitions can also be asked in exam, so you should know the definitions. सैंपल स्पेसेस यानी अभी जो भी चीज की हम लोग प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालते हैं तो उसके कितने पॉसिबल आउटकम्स हैं, दैट आर कॉल्ड एज सैंपल स्पेसेस. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल आई हैव वन कॉइन. ओके, सो हाउ मेनी सैंपल स्पेसेस आर पॉसिबल फॉर दैट, फॉर वन कॉइन? हाउ मेनी सैंपल स्पेसेस आर पॉसिबल फॉर वन कॉइन? टू सैंपल स्पेसेस आर पॉसिबल. या तो हेड गिरेगा या तो टेल गिरेगा, या तो इंडिया गिरेगा या तो चाइना गिरेगा. हम लोग जब खेलते हैं ग्राउंड पे वी से इंडिया चाइना. ओके, सो या तो हेड गिरेगा या तो टेल गिरेगा. ओनली टू पॉसिबल आउटकम्स आर देयर. तो ये दो पॉसिबल आउटकम को ही हम लोग सैंपल स्पेस बोलेंगे. ओके, सपोज आई एम हैविंग डाइस. सो हाउ मेनी सैंपल स्पेसेस आर देयर फॉर अ डाइस? Yes, anyone? How many sample spaces are there for a dice? There are 6 sample spaces. Correct? Okay, next. Now, example is given. For example, if two coins are tossed at a time, the possible outcomes, two coins. Now, there are two coins. Huh? I talked about one coin. If there are two coins, so how many possible outcomes are there for two coins? How many possible outcomes are there for two coins? 4. Okay. Just a second. Okay, two possible outcomes are there. Next, what is an event? A desired outcome of a random experiment is known as event. अभी देखो मेरे पास एक coin है, so I expect that I should get head. So this is my desired event. Okay, so this desired outcome, so this is called an event. Okay, अगर आप सोचते हो कि if I am having two coins और दोनों coin में tail गिरना चाहिए, so this is my desired outcome. So this event, it is called as a event. Okay. Next is probability of an event. Let E is an event of random experiment. The probability of the event E is written as P of E and it is given by probability का formula है. Now see what is the formula for probability. Probability is always denoted by P of E. Okay, probability is always denoted by P of E. Its formula is number of favorable outcomes upon total number of possible outcomes. Okay, its formula is number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Okay. Number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Sorry for the inconvenience. Actually, the tablet was not working. Okay. Now it's okay. So probability, the value of probability. Yes, I will send this PDF on a group also after the session. The value of probability, it always lies between 0 and 1. तो probability का जब भी आप वैल्यू निकालोगे वो हमेशा 0 और 1 के बीच में ही लाई करेगा. Okay, probability never exceeds the value of 1 and it is never less than 0. यानी probability कभी नेगेटिव नहीं होता है और 1 से ग्रेटर नहीं होता है. Is it clear to everyone? This formula is very important. We can solve each and every question by this formula. These definitions are just for your knowledge. Okay, you should know the definitions. We will actually see the example, then it will be more clear. Sure event, those events whose probability is 1. Sure events, can you give me one example of any sure event? Yes, anyone can turn on the mic and give me the example of sure event. Okay, the sun rising, correct. That event is sure. Okay, sun is going to rise. Definitely, that event is sure. So the probability is 1. Okay, again, any other example? Any other example? Any other example? Getting number less than 6 on a dais. Less than or equal to 6 we will have to say, because 6 can also be there. Okay, if we roll the dice, we can get 6 also. सनसेट, दैट इज ऑल्सो अ श्योर इवेंट. तो जो कुछ भी श्योर इवेंट है, हमको पता है ये इवेंट होने ही वाला है, सो दैट प्रोबेबिलिटी इज इक्वल टू 1. गेटिंग हेड और टेल while टॉसिंग अ कॉइन इज अ श्योर इवेंट. यस करेक्ट, गेटिंग हेड या फिर टेल. अब अगर आप एक कॉइन टॉस करोगे, या तो आपको हेड मिलेगा या तो टेल मिलेगा. दिस इवेंट इज ऑल्सो अ श्योर इवेंट. Getting a natural number on dice, correct Harsh. Okay, impossible event. So what is impossible event? Those events whose probability is 0. That means P of E, it is equal to 0. This is an impossible event. Can you give me the example of impossible event? जो हो नहीं सकता है. Getting 0 on a dice, correct. It is an impossible event. Sun rise from west. Okay, that is an impossible event. Having other than head or tail. Okay, that is an impossible event. Again, few more examples in our day-to-day life. Getting number greater than 6 on the dais. Okay. Again, getting 101 marks out of 100 marks. Impossible event. The probability will turn to 0. Okay. Is it clear to you? Getting 101 marks. It is an impossible event. So the probability of that event will become 0. Okay, now we will see the example. See the first example. There are 6 pillows in a bed. 3 are red, 2 are orange and 2 are blue. Sorry, here there should be 2, huh? अगर 6 पिलो है तो 2 रेड है, 2 ऑरेंज है और 2 ब्लू है. व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ पिकिंग अ ऑरेंज पिलो? Okay, first of all, tell me how many pillows are there. That will be our denominator. Okay, that will be our denominator. That is total number of samples. Total number of samples. What it will become? It will become 6. ओके, तो डिनोमिनेटर में हमेशा क्या आता है? टोटल नंबर ऑफ सैंपल्स आता है. तो देख सकते हो आप यहाँ पे ब्लू वाले 2 पिलो है, ऑरेंज वाले 2 पिलो है और ग्रीन वाले. here there is a color combination mismatch, so just try to understand. Okay, instead of red you take green here. Okay, So 2 green are there, 2 orange are there, and 2 blue are there. So total number of pillows we are having what? It is 6. So that will come in the denominator always. What is the formula for probability? Yes, anyone? What is the formula for probability?
Favorable outcome upon total outcome.
Correct. P of E, it is equal to number of favorable outcomes, number of favorable outcomes अपॉन टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स. तो अभी हमने यहाँ पे लिख दिया टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स हमारे कितने, टोटल नंबर ऑफ सैंपल स्पेसेस इट इज इक्वल टू टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स. सो हाउ मच इट इज? इट इज 6. तो डिनोमिनेटर में जितने पॉसिबल सैंपल्स है वो डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा. ओके चाहे क्वेश्चन कोई भी हो, प्रोबेबिलिटी का क्वेश्चन कोई भी हो, डिनोमिनेटर में जितने सैंपल स्पेसेस है, जितने पॉसिबल आउटकम, जितने टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स है, that will come in the denominator. So here 6 pillows are there, so in the denominator it will come 6. अभी हमको probability किसका निकालना है? We have to find the probability of orange pillow. तो orange कितने है मेरे पास? You can see in the figure we are having orange pillow in 2. So that will come in the numerator. That is my number of favorable outcomes. Okay, जो मुझे चाहिए, okay, जो outcome मुझे चाहिए, that is, it will come in the numerator, the number of favorable outcomes. So if we simplify it, it will come 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is the probability for getting the orange pillow out of the 6 pillow. 6 pillow में से कोई भी एक pillow अगर आप निकालोगे randomly, so what is the probability of getting that orange pillow? It is 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 3 is the probability. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now, if we find the value of this 1 by 3 in decimal, what it will come? 0.33 it will come. That means it is lying between 0 and 1. Yes or no? It is greater than 0 but less than 1. So probability always lie between 0 and 1. कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो, probability का आंसर 0 और 1 के बीच में ही आएगा if you convert the things in decimal. Abhi, sometimes it happens, examiners, they might ask you the same question in terms of percentage. Express the probability in terms of percentage. So how much percentage will be 1 by 3 then? How much percentage will be 1 by 33%? Correct. जो 1 by 3 मिला है आपको, अगर आपको उसको percentage में convert करना है, just multiply by 100, so it will come 33%. So in terms of percentage, if they ask you what is the probability, the probability is 33%. Yes, on number line also, Shravani, if we represent 0.33 या फिर 1 by 3, it will lie between 0 and 1. Is it clear to everyone? First example. Shall we move to the second example? Okay. Second example. Find the probability of getting 3 on a rolling die. Okay, now this is a dice. These are the 6 different faces. We know that die is having 6 different faces. तो फर्स्ट फेज पे अगर 1 है, सेकंड फेज पे 2, थर्ड फेज पे 3, फोर्थ फेज पे 4, फिफ्थ फेज पे 5 एंड सिक्स्थ फेज पे 6 होता है. ओके, इट इज अ क्यूबिकल शेप. सो क्यूब हैज 6 फेसेस और अलग अलग फेसेस पे अलग अलग नंबर्स लिखे होते हैं. तो अभी मुझे सबसे पहले यहाँ पे आप फिगर में से काउंट करके बोलो कितने सैंपल स्पेसेस है मेरे पास. टोटल नंबर ऑफ सैंपल स्पेसेस 1 2 3 4 5 6 सैंपल स्पेसेस आई एम हैविंग. सो total sample spaces it is equal to 6. Now what I want to find, I want to find the probability of getting 3. तो देखो आप 6 फेसेस में से 3 एक ही बार आ रहा है. So what is the probability then? Write down the formula first. Okay, number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. So टोटल नंबर ऑफ सैंपल स्पेसेस हमेशा डिनोमिनेटर में आता है, आई टोल्ड इट इन द फर्स्ट एग्जांपल आल्सो। और न्यूमरेटर में जो मुझे चाहिए, जो मेरा फेवरेबल आउटकम है, व्हाट आई वांट 3, सो 3 इज ओनली वंस वी विल गेट 3, सो 1/6 is the probability. Now if you convert this value in decimal, what it will come? If you convert this in decimal, 0.16. Now you can see this value also lies between 0 and 1. Okay, so always you will get the answer for probability between 0 and 1 only. If you convert this in percentage, how much percentage it will represent? How much percentage it will represent? Exactly 16 percentage. Some value will come in decimal. 16.66%, correct. Okay, if you want to represent this probability in terms of percentage, it will come 16.66%. Now one question for you, okay, based on the same dice, tell me what is the probability of getting even number here? What is the probability for getting even number? Denominator will not change, denominator will be the same, total number of outcomes. Yes, Viraj, it's correct, 50%. ओके, अभी इवन नंबर देखो, ये 2 में एक बार इवन नंबर मिलेगा, 4 में मिलेगा और 6 में मिलेगा, यानी 3 बार हमको इवन नंबर मिलने के चांसेस है। नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम्स हमारे क्या हो जाएंगे? 3। सो इफ वी सॉल्व दिस वी विल गेट 1/2। सो 1/2 इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी, 0.5 इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी फॉर गेटिंग द इवन नंबर। व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी फॉर गेटिंग ऑड नंबर? Again it will come 0.5 only because denominator it will remain the same. Odd number मिलने के chances क्या है? 1 में odd number मिलेगा, 3 में odd number मिलेगा और 5 में odd number मिलेगा. So again 3 favorable outcomes are there. Again if we solve it, the probability will come half या फिर 0.5. In terms of percentage it will come 50%. Is it clear to you? Is anyone having any doubt here? Okay, one more question now, huh? What is the probability for getting prime number? What is the probability for getting prime number? Yes, Prathamesh, can you tell me which are the prime numbers here in case of dice? Prathamesh.
So 2, 3, and 5.
2, 3,
Sorry,
and
sir, answer was wrong. 3/6.
2, 3, and 5 are the prime numbers here. 2 is the only even prime number in the world. Okay. So such type of questions can be asked. Dice is same, बस condition change कर रहे हैं, question change कर रहे हैं. According to that, the probability also changes. Okay. Now, what is the probability of getting a perfect square? What is the probability of getting a perfect square here? वन टू थ्री फोर फाइव सिक्स में परफेक्ट स्क्वायर कौन सा है? 4, correct. So what will be the probability? 1 by?
Sir, 1 is also perfect square.
Yes, 1 is also perfect square, correct. 2/6, so 1/3 it will come. Okay, तो इस तरीके से क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे. Okay, let's see the next example. There are 5 marbles in a bag, 4 are blue and 1 is red. What is the probability? What is the probability that a blue marble gets picked? तो सबसे पहले आप डिनोमिनेटर निकालोगे. हर बार आप प्रोबेबिलिटी सॉल्व करने से पहले डिनोमिनेटर निकालोगे. डिनोमिनेटर निकालने के लिए यहाँ पे आपको ऑलरेडी गिवन है, देयर आर 5 मार्बल्स. ओके, सो डिनोमिनेटर विल कम 5. अभी हमको प्रोबेबिलिटी किसका चाहिए? ब्लू का चाहिए. ओके, हमको प्रोबेबिलिटी किसका चाहिए? ब्लू. सपोज दिस आर ब्लू मार्बल्स. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are blue marbles. These are blue marbles. Okay, and 1 is red. So this is red marble. Okay, So what is the formula for probability? P of E, it is equal to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Okay, so what are the total number of outcomes here? 5. 5 sample spaces we are having. So that is our total number of outcome. Number of favorable outcome, हमको क्या चाहिए? ब्लू चाहिए. तो ब्लू आने का चांस कितना है? 1 2 3 बार 4 बार चांस है ब्लू आने का. ओके, सो व्हाट विल बी द प्रोबेबिलिटी? 4/5. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to
Yes,
you?
sir.
ओके, अभी एक और जो कार्ड का एग्जाम्पल है वो भी देख लेते हैं. कार्ड का एग्जाम्पल बहुत बार पूछा जाता है एग्जाम में. अ कार्ड इज ड्रॉन फ्रॉम अ वेल शफल्ड पैक ऑफ 52 कार्ड्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू शुड नो टोटल नंबर ऑफ कार्ड्स. हाउ मेनी कार्ड्स आर देयर? 52 कार्ड्स आर देयर, प्लेइंग कार्ड्स. Okay, total number of cards are 52. You can see on the screen the image also. Okay, तो जो ए वाला होता है उसको हम लोग एस बोलते हैं. तो एस जो है वो 4 डिफरेंट शेप में होता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज क्लब्स एस, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज डायमंड्स एस, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज हार्ट्स एस, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज स्पेड्स एस. ओके, so 4 different shapes are there and you can count in each shape there are total 13 cards. So 4 different shapes के अगर हम लोग साथ में ले लेंगे तो it will become 52 cards. Okay, just see the image because this image is important for solving the questions of cards. Boys might know it, some girls also might know it because घर में खेलते हैं हम लोग ताश with our family members. Okay, just have a look on it. Remember this 4 words are very important क्योंकि एग्जाम में आपको फिगर नहीं मिलेगा. So you should know what they are talking about. Clubs, diamonds, hearts and spade. Okay, now see the first question. 2 of spades. अभी देखो spades वाला रो ये है, उसमें 2 यानी ये वाला कार्ड, ये एक लौता कार्ड है, इसके जैसा कोई दूसरा कार्ड नहीं है. So what will be the probability then? 2 of spades, 1/52 will be the probability. क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर में क्या आएगा? टोटल नंबर ऑफ सैंपल स्पेसेस. इफ यू काउंट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ सैंपल स्पेसेस इट विल बी 52. So what will be the probability? 1/52 is the probability for this 2 of spades. 1/52. Okay, a jack. अभी मुझे बोलो जैक यहाँ पे आ रहा है. दिस इज 1 जैक, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ जैक, this is also a jack. Okay, unless and until they have used any word of the shape. Okay, okay, you will take all the 4 jacks. So what will be the probability then? 4/52 will be the probability. If we'll solve it, it will come 1/13. Is it clear to you? If we solve it, it will come 1/13. Okay, a king of red color. मुझे बोलो अभी king of red color, what will be the probability? King of red color, we are having only 2 kings that are of red color. So 2/52. If we solve it, it will come 1/26. This is the probability. Okay. Next, a card of diamond. अब मुझे बोलो diamond के total cards कितने हैं पहले. See, this is diamond card 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So denominator will remain same 52. ऊपर आ जाएगा 13 because they have asked diamond cards and we are having 13 diamond cards. So 13/52 it will come 1/4 is the probability. 1/4 and decimals it will come 0.25. Is it clear to everyone? A king or a queen, bolo. What will be the probability? king and tell me first of all, how many kings are there? 4 kings are there. How many queens are there? 4 queens are there. Sarang, how come you are telling 6 upon 52? It will come 8 upon 52. If we simplify that, what we will get? 8 upon 52 simplify करने के बाद क्या आएगा? 2 upon 13. Okay. 2 upon 13 will be the probability then. Now tell me what is the probability for black card. First count how many black cards are there. How many black cards are there? 26. Denominator will not change. Denominator will always come 52. यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 26. So what is the probability? Half is the probability, that is 0.5. In terms of percentage, it is 50%. So is it clear to you? The example of dice, the example of marbles, the example of cards. सबसे easy chapter है ये आपका. Okay. And definitely 3 to 4 marks this chapter is asked every year. Case study questions can also be asked on this chapter, because now see, I will give this situation like this of cards, and I will make 4 different questions on that cards. So it will become the question of case study. So it can also come in case study. Okay, then we will start the exercise. One thing I wanted. Okay, I will tell it here in the fill in the blanks. Okay. See, अभी हमने example देखा था. We are having a coin. Okay. Coin में या तो head गिरेगा या तो tail गिरेगा. Okay. तो head गिरने की probability क्या है? What is the probability of getting head? It is half. Okay, if I toss the coin, what is the probability of getting head? It is half. What is the probability of getting tail? It is also half. Okay, तो अभी head गिरने की probability half है, और head नहीं गिरने की probability क्या है फिर? हेड नहीं गिरने की प्रोबेबिलिटी भी हाफ है. ओके, तो किसी भी इवेंट के होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी और उसके ना होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी, ये दोनों का सम हमेशा 1 आता है. किसी भी इवेंट के होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी और वो इवेंट ना होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी, ये दोनों का सम 1 आता है. ओके, तो इसको एक्सप्रेशन में हम लोग कैसे लिखते हैं? P ऑफ E प्लस P ऑफ E बार. E बार क्या डिनोट करता है? ना होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी. इन दोनों का सम हमेशा 1 आता है. दिस इज ऑल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूला. ओके, फॉर सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चंस यू रिक्वायर दिस. किसी भी इवेंट के होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी और किसी भी इवेंट के ना होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी, इन दोनों का अगर हम लोग सम करेंगे, इट विल कम 1. इज इट क्लियर टू यू? इज इट क्लियर टू यू? Now tell me, the probability of an event that cannot happen is dash. Such an event is called dash. What is the answer? जो इवेंट हो नहीं सकता है उसका प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होगा? पहले उसका प्रोबेबिलिटी होगा 0, और इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट. Like the sun will never rise. This is an impossible event. So its probability will be 0. Okay, the probability of an event that is certain to happen is dash. Such an event is called as what? Okay, certain to happen. Yani sure, it is sure that it will happen. So the probability is 1, and that event is called as sure event. That event is called as sure event. The sum of the probabilities of all the elementary events of an experiment is called. The sum of all the probabilities of all the elementary events of an experiment is 1. Okay. Next, the probability of an event is greater than or equal to dash and less than or equal to what? I told it at the start only. 0 और 1 के बीच में ही हमेशा प्रोबेबिलिटी का वैल्यू होता है. सो ग्रेटर देन 0 होता है एंड लेस देन 1 होता है. लेस देन और इक्वल टू 1 होता है. ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 0 होता है. 0 भी होता है प्रोबेबिलिटी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. ओके So is it clear to you the first question? Fill in the blanks. First, mark your attendance. Okay. Second question, which of the following experiments have equally likely outcomes? Equally likely यानी 50-50%. Okay. Bolo. First one, a driver attempts to start a car. The car starts or does not start. 50-50% chances. Equally likely. First one, is it equally likely or not? A driver attempts to start a car. The car starts or does not start. Okay, first you mark your attendance. Yes, Sarang, toss is equally likely, correct. Have you marked the attendance? Have you marked the attendance? Already I have sent the link. I know few people, they sleep in the session. Tell me the answer for first one. A driver attempts to start a car. The car starts or does not start. Is it equally likely? It does not have an equally likely. Viraj is saying that it has. Yes, Shravani. Why you're saying no?
Sir, because he may or may not start the car.
He's attempting to start the car. अभी वो अटेम्प्ट कर रहा है तो या तो गाड़ी चालू होगी या तो नहीं होगी. ओके how the answers are given in your textbook? How we have to write the answer of this? We have to explain also. See the back side of the textbook, in which form the answers are given.
Sir, only they have given the number which are equally likely.
Okay, that only they have given. Okay, so here here what will be the reason then?
Sir, there are two possible outcomes, that the car will start or not start, and it may start or may not start. So 1/2 and 1/2 will be the outcome of
Both the cases.
the possibility.
Yes, correct. So what is the reason it may start or it may not start? It depends on the condition of the engine, whatever the internal factors are there regarding that car. Okay, so on that also it depends. So it may start also and it may not start also. So equally likely. Write down the explanation also for that. Okay. Next, a player attempts to shoot a basketball. She or he shoots or misses the shot. Yes, whether it is equally likely or not. A player attempts to shoot a basketball. She or he shoots or misses the shot. दोनों भी chances है ना.